Hello and welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to take you for a walk. It is beautiful autumn day and a bit rainy, but for now stop. So I would like to take a picture and take a video of each moment I see and I walk by. So I bought in the shop a sweet roll with poppy seeds. I have to say it is so delicious, but also very sweet. Let me know if you like things like that. It is very popular here. The poppy seed rolls, which are nice and sweet and very sticky on my gloves. My outfit today, it is quite easy. I've got Moda Impala boots, I've got trench coat in the dark green olive color from the CNA. I've got also the silky blouse from the CNA. I love cats, especially the small one. But let's go back to the outfit. My trousers, they are from the River Island, and I've got scarf by Louis Vuitton. What else? Gloves I've got from Witchen, and a belt from Katie, and I think that's it. I went also to the furniture shop. I would like to just put some flowers in my home. I think that maybe red color could be good. This rose looks like fresh, like a real flower. I really love it. I also love the candles, and I'm looking for wall art. I hope that I will find something nice. Behind me you can see that almost all they are very dark, and I'm not looking for anything in the black color. I'm looking for something in the nice white colors. Lights, they're also incredible. I wish to change my light in my room so much. Some furniture I found, and I would like to have my office in the future, my own office. So I'm looking for any chest of drawers, any desk, any nice chairs, something like this, the shelves and everything that I can just use them for documents and things like that. So it is not easy decision because this desk will be for many years, so I cannot change my mind after 1 month, return something and buy again. It is just not. I think that desk need to be nice and big. We need a lot of space, not only for just a laptop, but also for everything else. This is relaxing chair. I need that in my life too. I really love that. And I like the color. It is just so beautiful. I think now the light colors would be much better than any darker, any gray colors. Now I've got, from my own experience, I know that I wanna light colors for sure.